Hello, everyone. Welcome back, and thank you for joining us today.
Hi, friends. We're really happy you're here. I hope you're feeling relaxed and ready to learn some English with us.
I'm Ken.
And I'm Evelyn. And today we have a very special episode for you.
Yes, we do. In this video, you're going to learn everyday English expressions that native speakers use all the time.
These are expressions you can use in daily life when you talk to friends, family, classmates, coworkers, or even when you're talking to yourself.
Exactly. Our goal today is simple. We want to help you feel more confident speaking English.
No stress, no pressure. You don't need to be perfect.
Just relax, listen, and enjoy the conversation.
And remember, you can pause the video anytime, repeat after us, or listen again later.
All right, are you ready?
Let's get started.
Let's start with our first expression, take it easy.
This is a very common and friendly expression.
So, what does take it easy mean?
In simple English, it means relax or don't worry too much.
Yes, you can say it when someone is stressed, tired, or working too hard.
You can also use it when you say goodbye to someone.
Let's look at some examples.
Example 1. Hey, you look tired. Take it easy today.
Example 2. You've been studying all night. Take it easy and get some rest.
Example 3, when saying goodbye. All right, I'll see you tomorrow. Take it easy.
Now, when should you not use this expression?
Good question. You should not use take it easy in very serious or formal situations.
For example, if someone is talking about a serious problem, like a medical emergency, saying take it easy might sound rude.
Right. It's best for casual and friendly situations.
Let's do a short dialogue.
Okay.
Evelyn, you've been working all day. How do you feel?
Honestly, I'm exhausted.
Then take it easy tonight. Watch a movie and relax.
That sounds like a great plan.
Now, common mistakes.
Many learners think take it easy means do something easy.
But that's not correct.
It's about relaxing, not about the difficulty of the task.
Similar expressions include
Relax, don't stress, calm down. But be careful, this one can sound rude sometimes.
now practice time. Our second expression is no big deal.
This one is very useful.
It means something is not important or not a problem.
You often use it when someone says thank you or sorry.
The example, Sam?
Example 1. Thanks for helping me.
No big deal. Example 2. Sorry I'm late.
No big deal. We just started. Example 3. Is it okay if I ask a question?
Yeah, no big deal. When should you not use it?
You should not use no big deal when something is actually serious.
Right. If someone is really upset, this might sound like you don't care.
Let's hear a short dialogue.
Oops, I spilled some water.
No big deal. I'll clean it up.
See, very natural.
Common mistake. Some learners say not big deal.
Remember, the correct phrase is no big deal.
Similar expressions include
It's okay, don't worry about it, no problem.
practice time.
Repeat, no big deal.
Nice job.
Expression number 3. Give it a try.
I really like this one.
It means try something new or make an effort.
You often use it to encourage someone.
Examples?
Example 1. I'm not sure I can do it.
Just give it a try.
Example 2. I've never eaten that food before.
Give it a try. You might like it.
When should you not use it?
You shouldn't use it when someone clearly does not want to do something serious or dangerous.
Safety first.
Dialogue time.
Ken, I'm scared to speak English in public.
I understand, but give it a try. You'll improve with practice.
You're right. I'll try.
Common mistake?
Some learners forget it and say give a try.
Always say, give it a try.
Similar expressions.
Try it out. Have a go. Make an attempt.
Practice.
Repeat. Give it a try.
Expression 4. I'm used to it.
This one talks about habits.
It means something feels normal to you now.
Examples?
I wake up early every day. I'm used to it.
At first, English was hard. Now I'm used to it.
When not to use it.
Don't use it for new experiences.
Right. If it's new, you are not used to it yet.
Dialogue time.
Do you like living in a busy city?
At first, no, but now I'm used to it.
Common mistake?
People say, I used to it.
The correct form is I'm used to it.
Similar expressions.
It feels normal now. I'm familiar with it.
Practice.
Repeat, I'm used to it.
Expression number 5. That makes sense.
This means you understand or you agree logically.
Examples?
You studied a lot, so you passed the test. That makes sense.
I was tired, so I went to bed early. That makes sense.
When not to use it.
Don't use it if you actually don't understand. Dialogue time.
I practice English every day to improve.
That makes sense.
Common mistake?
Some learners say that makes sense.
Remember the S. Makes.
Similar expressions.
I understand. I get it.
Practice.
Repeat. That makes sense. Expression 6. I'll figure it out.
This means you will find a solution.
Examples.
I don't know the answer yet, but I'll figure it out.
I'm not sure how to get there. I'll figure it out.
Dialogue time.
Do you know how to fix this problem?
Not yet, but I'll figure it out.
Common mistake?
Some learners forget it.
Always say, figure it out.
Similar expressions.
I'll find a way. I'll solve it.
Practice.
Repeat. I'll figure it out.
Expression 7. On the same page.
This one is very useful at work or school.
It means everyone understands and agrees.
Examples?
Let's make sure we're on the same page.
We talked about the plan, so we're on the same page.
Dialogue time.
So we meet at 10 a.m., right?
Yes, just checking that we're on the same page.
Common mistake?
Learners think it's about reading.
But it's about understanding, not books.
Similar expressions.
We agree. We understand each other.
Practice.
Repeat. On the same page.
Our last expression, step by step.
I love this one for learning English.
It means slowly, one part at a time.
Examples?
Learn English step by step.
We'll solve the problem step by step.
Dialogue time.
I feel nervous about learning English.
That's okay. Just go step by step.
Common mistake?
Not many, but remember, it's about progress, not speed.
Similar expressions.
Little by little, one thing at a time.
Practice.
Repeat, step by step.
Now let's use these expressions in longer, natural conversations.
I'm nervous about my presentation tomorrow.
Take it easy. You prepared well.
I hope so.
Even if you make a mistake, it's no big deal.
That makes sense.
Do you understand the plan?
Yes, I think we're on the same page.
Great. Let's do it step by step.
If there's a problem, I'll figure it out. I've never cooked this before.
Just give it a try.
Okay. If it's bad, no big deal.
Exactly.
Let's quickly review today's expressions.
Take it easy. No big deal. Give it a try. I'm used to it. That makes sense. I'll figure it out. On the same page, step by step.
Try to use at least one of these today.
Even one sentence is enough.
Learning English takes time.
And that's okay.
Go step by step.
Practice a little every day.
And remember, making mistakes is no big deal.
All right, Evelyn. Let's do a longer conversation using all the expressions we learned. This is a chance for our friends to hear them naturally in real life.
Yes, and you can try repeating after us if you want. Don't worry about getting it perfect, just enjoy listening.
Okay. Imagine we're planning a weekend outing with friends.
Sounds fun. I'll start. Ken, I'm a little nervous about planning this picnic. What if it rains?
Take it easy, Evelyn. We can check the weather in the morning and adjust if needed. It's no big deal.
True, and I guess if it rains, we can move the picnic indoors. I'll figure it out.
Exactly. And even if we forget something, it's okay. We'll just give it a try and make the best of it.
I like that. Step by step, right? First, we decide the location, then the food, and finally the games.
Yes, and we're on the same page about timing and transportation too.
Oh, and don't forget the drinks. But I'm used to planning little things like this, so it feels manageable.
See, you're already doing great. Planning can feel overwhelming at first, but now it makes sense, doesn't it?
Absolutely. I feel much more confident now.
Perfect. And for our listeners, notice how we naturally included the expressions, take it easy, no big deal, give it a try, I'll figure it out, step by step, on the same page, I'm used to it, and that makes sense.
Yes, this is exactly how you can use them in your daily conversations. Real life is full of small challenges, and these phrases help you communicate smoothly and feel confident.
Right. And a great tip is to practice these expressions today. Even if you say one sentence to a friend, family member, or even yourself, it counts. Little steps lead to big improvements.
Exactly. You can even create short dialogues like ours. Pretend you're having a conversation about shopping, school, or work, and try using at least 3 of these expressions.
And remember, it's completely normal to make mistakes. Every time you use these phrases, you get better and more confident. The more you hear them and say them, the more natural they will feel.
Yes, and don't rush. English learning is a step-by-step journey. Enjoy it. Smile. Celebrate small victories. You're doing amazing just by listening and practicing with us today.
Absolutely. And now that we've practiced these expressions together, you're ready for the recap and our final thoughts.
Right. Let's review everything one more time and send you off with a big boost of confidence. Thank you so much for spending time with us today.
We really appreciate you.
Keep practicing, keep listening, and keep believing in yourself.
We'll see you in the next episode.
Take it easy, everyone.